things that you will find in every single household. First, you get the wooden spoon, bro. In every household, you need to have one of these, bro. This can be used to cooking. It can be used to being beaten up. You know why those kids of now don't act right? It's because they weren't beaten with this, bro. This thing, yo, traumatizes me, bro. Yo, hi, get away here. Then you got this plastic bags. This is no longer a plastic bag, bruh. They use this as a bin. The inside bin, bruh, to throw the dirt away. And you know I'm not tripping, bruh, because this is a bin now, bruh. Then you get this. Yoo! The Cinderella slapping sandal. Bro, this thing is painful, bruh. Yo, bruh, you won't be naughty after they beat you up with this, bruh. Honestly. The ice cream bucket with no ice cream inside, bruh. This broke my heart, bruh. This is where my trust issue started, bruh. When I found no ice cream in this thing. Yo, African parents, what's wrong with... Then you get this Oros bottle, but it's used as a water bottle now. Yo, the geniuses in this world, bruh. Hey, and who told the people that the broom stays behind the door? Who told them that the broom stays behind the door, bruh? Hi.